Can a woman's ugly past affect her relationship or marriage? Is a woman's ugly past important in relationship or marriage? This is a topic that has crawled into the heart of people whose partners has an ugly past that they can't even bring themselves to think about, let alone talk about. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yinka. I'm a relationship and marriage advisor. I like talking about love, relationship, and marriage. Before you answer this question, ask yourself, how severe would a woman's past be for you to let go of? Would you be able to let go of your partner's past if you found yourself in such a situation where you discovered that they had a terrible past? Would you? Before we go any further, let's even define what an ugly past means in this context. The past we're talking about here relates to sexual activities, indecency, and the likes, which oftentimes come back to bite. In a relationship, whenever a woman's ugly past of indecency, sexual escapades, and all whatnot resurfaces, it is very difficult for the man to get over it. Even though this applies to both partners, it affects women most of the time. A woman's ugly past can certainly bring an end to a beautiful relationship. A woman's past can shake and bring an end to a union with a promising future. I've seen a good number of unions break because of an ugly past that was assumed buried. The truth is that most men are not wired to withstand the thoughts of their women getting involved in indecent acts and odd sexual activities before setting up the camera to video yourself and someone, or you with a group of people having sex. Please think about how that sex tape could be if it ever got into the wrong hands. Before indulging in that sexual activity that may bring you ruin, please think about a happy union it may break off tomorrow. Sometimes in the journey of life, we just live life as each day goes without having enough time to process if what we're actually doing would or wouldn't affect our future. It is high time we thought about how important our image is to the one who love and care for us, and even to ourselves. Think twice before you act. Think twice before you press that record button. Think twice before you go on that journey. Think twice before your beautiful relationship turns sour. Remember that I love you, and I want you to love yourself enough to stay away from any image denting activities. See you in my next video. And don't forget to send in whatever topic you want us to discuss. Send in your anonymous topics to the email on your screen. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment, and click on the notification bell. I'll be here to keep looking out for you. And subscribe. Thank you.